Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be changing out my original Gemini caps for the black ones, but you can see the issue that we're having. There's this silver rim around the outside, and when you put the black ones on, I don't think this looks all that good personally, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to fix this issue. I bought this rubber edge protector that you can put around the rim, and I bought it in the color black, so I'm going to put this around the rim, put this black Aero cap back on so we can see what that looks like, to see if it's a bit better than having this silver line around the outside of those black Aero caps. All right guys, so with this back tire, I put a strip of this rim protector all the way around, and now I'm gonna put the Aero cap on so we can see what it looks like. And then we can compare it to one that doesn't have that protection around it. So personally, I think this looks a lot better having the black strip go around the outside, and we get the added benefit that it gives us a little bit of protection with this rubber part if we happen to rub against a curb or something, or even just protecting it from the Aero cap itself from scratching that rim. So that's what it looks like with that rubber edge piece around the Aero cap. And to compare that, what it looks like to one that doesn't have this protective strip around the outside, and I think it's a big improvement when comparing the two. I also did a cleaning around the edge of the rim with isopropyl alcohol to get the dirt off so that the adhesive of the rim edge protector would stick a bit better. But this is what it looks like having those black Aero caps on with the black edge protector around the rim. I think it's a big improvement over having that silver line around the outside of the Aero caps. So showing you the other side as well, and I think this is a big improvement in the look over the silver and gray Gemini Aero caps that came with my Model Y. Now when you buy the Model Y, you can get the black ones right away from the factory. But if you got these, then you can get these black covers from Tesla's website. I'll post a link to these Aero caps from the Tesla shop down in the video description if you'd like to check them out for yourself. But in my opinion, unless you do something to cover that silver line that would go around these black Aero caps if you didn't get the black rubber edge around the outside of the rim, I don't think this would be a good look. I think you really need that black covering around these to make them look good, like they belong on the vehicle. And again, for purchase links on the products that I use in this video, I'll have a Tesla shop link for these black Aero caps, and I'll have a link to where I bought these black rim edge protectors down in the description as well. But that's going to wrap this one up. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.